How to apply promo code in Lyft. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of free rides. Now click on the option of see rewards. Over here, you'll see the option of add promo code. Click on it. Lyft often offers promotional codes to new users or as a part of special promotions. These codes can provide discounts or credits towards your ride fare. Keep an eye out for these codes in advertisement, emails, or social media promotions. If you do have promo code, you can paste it over here. Now you can click on done. Now this promo code will be applied to your next ride and you will get certain amount of discount. So this is how you can apply for promo code in Lyft. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.